Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make two simple Valentine's Day snacks. We're going to start with strawberry Muddy Buddies. For the ingredients, you're going to want Chex cereal, I'm using rice Chex, and then you're going to want powdered sugar, white chocolate chips or melting wafers, and then freeze-dried strawberries. The first thing I'm doing is measuring out 8 grams of the strawberries. And then we're going to put this in the food processor and we're going to want to make this into like a strawberry powder. This is my first time using this food processor, so I didn't really know what I was doing, so if you can get it down to more of a finer powder than this, that would be preferred. And then we're going to measure out 4 cups of the Chex cereal. Along with 1 cup of the white chocolate. And then we're going to want to melt this, so I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, I stirred it, put it in for another 30 seconds, stirred it until it was melted. Once the white chocolate is all smooth and melted, we're going to pour it onto the Chex, and then we're going to mix this in and really coat the cereal, but make sure you don't break the cereal pieces in the process. And then we're going to take a gallon-sized sealable bag and we're going to pour the cereal mixture into there. We're also going to want to add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar into there as well as the strawberry powder. And then we can seal the bag and carefully shake and mix the ingredients together. After that, we're going to take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and then we're going to pour the cereal mixture onto the parchment paper. And then we're just going to want to evenly disperse the mixture out onto the tray. And then we're going to put this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to let that white chocolate harden.
A few minutes later.
Once out of the fridge, it's ready to be eaten, so I'm just transferring it here into a container I can put a lid on later. I decided to leave this recipe as is, but if you wanted to church it up and make it your own, you can add stuff in like pretzels, you could add something like M&Ms, Teddy Grahams, you could add in like the circus animal crackers, anything that you'd like. Moving on to the second recipe, this one is super easy. We are going to be making a Cupid float. For your ingredients, you're going to want some fruit-flavored soda. I have a Hana Punch because I couldn't find cherry 7-Up, which is what the recipe originally called for. And then you're going to want some vanilla ice cream and some Twizzlers. I am going with strawberry Twizzlers. There's not really exact measurements for this. I'm just taking a cup, filling it up halfway with the vanilla ice cream. And then just like a root beer float, we're just going to top it off with the soda here. And I think the Twizzlers are for a garnish, so I put one in there, but if you actually chew the top and the bottom off of the Twizzler, they're hollow inside, so you can kind of actually use it for a straw, like if you have kids or just want to be fun. Those were the 2 quick and easy Valentine's Day recipes I had to show you today. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see my upcoming videos, don't forget to hit subscribe as well as the bell button. That will let you know when my videos do come out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Bye!